Hello, as my competing course project, I've developed a turtle-based user-friendly game on Python, Snake and Ladder. User-friendly in the sense that software is easy to use and is not difficult for the user to understand. It's straightforward and provides quick access to common features or commands. Turtle is the key feature of my project. It's one of the most prominent modules in the Python libraries. In Turtle, there is a drawing board over which the user may command a turtle pointer to move or draw all over it. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the resource that I've used in making up this project. I've downloaded this image from Google and have set it as my Turtle background screen image. Since I'm a newbie to Python game developing, I chose something easy and Turtle proved so. I've learned Turtle in 3 days and I feel fortunate enough to get all the required functions from this HTML file. This is the actual output of my project. One of the most important aspects while running this program was to make sure that the path of the Python program and the GIF file was to be same. Otherwise, the Python returns a file not found error. The objective of this game is to navigate one's game piece according to the number on the die rolls from the starting square, which is 1, to the finishing square 30. The piece which passes 30 first wins the game. The first move is played by yellow and the entire game is just played on two keys. The yellow P rolls the die using the down arrow key and the blue piece uses the up arrow key and then moves ahead. The game is based on sheer luck and each player has got an equal probability of winning the game. Since it's a two-player game, you may play it with your friend, family, or even professor. I'll use a virtual keyboard to ease out the working. Here is the start of the game. Now it's the turn of the blue piece. So I click the up arrow key to move blue. One amazing aspect of this game is even if a player accidentally presses his arrow key twice, thrice, or even quadrice, this would not hinder the game of the users. For example, even if it's the turn of the yellow piece, but if I click on the up arrow key, which is for the blue piece, this will not affect the game and the game will continue. There are no bonus rolls in case unique numbers like 6 or 1 appears on the dice. Ladders are a virtue and can help the user to win the game, while the snakes are vice and can make the user lose the game. Congratulations to the blue piece to have won the game. Better luck next time, yellow. Now let's take a look upon the actual Python code. Yeah. Now let's take a look upon the actual Python code. Here's the code to set the turtle's background screen image. Here's here's the code to set the turtle's background screen image as snake.gif, and it's extremely important to keep the path of both the files the same, otherwise we would not be able to see the desired output on the screen. Now moving upon the most essential feature of this project, which is dictionary. And the goto function. The turtle screen resembles a graph sheet with, by default, the center of the screen is a 0, 0 mark and other positions are relative to the 0, 0 coordinate. I first added the image to the screen and related each square number with a unique coordinate point. Nothing better than and stronger than dictionary could relate the two. For example, the square number became the key and the coordinate points became the value. I imported the random module and used the random.randint function to ensure rolling of dice is an independent event and making it a fair game for both the users. Another important key feature was to cover up the user's mistake. I could do it with the help of flag. A necessary condition for a player to be able to roll the dice is the flag's value. Every time when the player is done with its move, the flag switches its sign, preventing the player from performing extra rolls. Since I've included the entire code in a while loop, as soon as one player passes 30, both the loops terminate. The loop 1 and the loop 2 terminates, leading them to the results of the game. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.